In this video I will show you how to create a crew in Blox Fruits. So when you first join the game you will be on this screen right here, and right here make sure you select Pirates. Let's select Pirates, and now we are joining. Now after you have joined into Blox Fruits, go to the left and press this skull icon. Then after you press the skull icon you can create a crew. First off, let's name it GuideRealm. To add a logo link you will need a decal. You can do that by going over to your browser and writing Roblox Creator Marketplace. Then press the enter button and open up the link at the top. Right here you might be asked to log in, but if you're already logged into the same account that you use for Blox Fruits, just continue watching. Now after you open up the link at the top, go over into images and here press the search bar and search for anything. Let's do crocodile and find an image that you want. Select it, let's use this one. Then press get decal, and now you can go over to your inventory. To do that, open up a new tab, roblox.com, then open up that website. Now when you are into roblox.com, on the left you will see the inventory section. Select it. Then right here you will need to locate decals, select decals, and here we have the crocodile we just selected. Open it up and copy the link at the top. Select it, right click, copy. Now let's go back to Roblox. Select the logo link section right here and just press Ctrl V to paste the link that you just copied. Then press the enter button and the logo just changed, and now you press the create button. But keep in mind, to create a crew you will need to have level 300 or more. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.